It is without a doubt that XRP's CEO. Will this really occur with XRP? This is required viewing for everyone who cares about or owns XRP tokens. Any recent updates on XRP? And how would this impact XRP's price? In this video, I'll address these concerns and explain why, despite recent dips in the XRP price, you still have a good chance of becoming a millionaire if you invest in the cryptocurrency. I've put a lot of time and effort into this video, so please don't skip over any of it or you might miss some crucial information that could increase your earnings. Welcome to Coin Lady channel, your source for the day's most important developments in the cryptocurrency market. If you want to be ahead of the curve and in the know about all the latest XRP news, be sure to hit that subscribe button. The current XRP price is 56 cents, and the 24-hour trading volume is $1.5 billion. The price of XRP has risen over the past 24 hours by 2.4% and over the past 7 days by 17.6%. Only 48 billion of the 100 billion XRP coins will ever be in circulation. Remember that by the time you watch this video, pricing may have changed. Investing in the cryptocurrency market is dangerous, and the information presented here is not financial advice. Before putting your money down, you should do your homework. Some of the most popular places to buy and trade XRP are KuCoin, eToro, and GateHub. Let's not dally any longer, alright? Okay, let's start the video. Timeline for ultimate Ripple and SEC ruling is predicted by pro-XRP lawyer John Deaton, a well-known lawyer who represents XRP investors. When asked by X, formerly Twitter, about the ongoing litigation between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, John Dean expressed his opinion that the issue would take a long time to resolve and that the odds of a settlement were low. There hasn't been any serious talk of settling between Ripple and House of Brad Garland. Chris Larson and the SEC. The SEC are angry and ashamed since they were awarded $770 million in a piece of flesh, as expressed by Deaton. He went into greater detail, highlighting the need for meticulousness throughout the punishment stage. Penal proceedings are similar to a second case and will necessitate more discovery, such as depositions, interrogatories, requests for production of documents, emails, bank statements, contracts, ODL transactions, etc. Estimated length of the SEC lawsuit's domino effect. Ripple will likely try to exclude on-demand liquidity ODL transactions and minimize other associated expenses in an effort to reduce the predicted $770 million penalty. Deaton used the El-Bri case as an example, noting that the SEC fined the company $23 million. A judge issued a fine of $130,000 after 8 months of extra litigation. I wouldn't expect a final ruling from Judge Torres until late summer, he concluded. An appeal in this case could be filed a year from now. Moreover, Deaton connected the verdict in the Ripple's case to the outcome of another significant case. If Coinbase's request to have MTD dropped is granted, then if Coinbase were to lose its MTD, I think the SEC would be forced to rethink its anti-crypto agenda and perhaps negotiate a settlement with Ripple. With the oral argument on the Coinbase motion set for January 17, 2024, I expect the case to go to trial. After 60 to 120 days, a decision is expected. As a result, the SEC may have tried to postpone its verdict on Ripple because of the Coinbase case. Timeline-wise, this lines up with the Eaton's discussion on the penalty for using XRP, which took place around the end of summer. Deaton expressed faith in Ripple's ability to reduce the sum and made it clear this is not a fraud investigation. The purpose of this exercise is to determine a fair penalty to be levied to Ripple for its illegal sale of unregistered securities. But so, this is all happening in the context of virtual currency, a new asset declared by other federal agencies. Deaton also went into historical backgrounds concerning Ripple and its contacts with various U.S. banking regulators. He said that Ripple has proactive discussions with numerous agencies, including the SEC, Treasury, and Federal Reserve as early as 2013. By 2015, XRP was recognized by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network FinCEN and the Department of Justice DOJ as a convertible virtual currency, with the requirement for Ripple to align with banking laws. Furthermore, in 2018, the day before the famous Hinman statement, SEC enforcement lawyers examined XRP status under the Howey test. These enforcement lawyers did not propose that Ripple stop selling XRP, nor did they advocate an enforcement action. Clearly, they couldn't ascertain themselves that XRP was a security deed underlined. He continued by highlighting the sophisticated knowledge required in this situation, adding, in reality, SEC enforcement lawyers might possess and trade XRP up until 2019. I don't think Judge Torres will be able to hurt Ripple with these data. If you're still watching the video, you can help out the channel by giving this video a like, subscribe, and remember to remain tuned to not miss out on anything. Let's not tarry any longer than necessary. Let's continue with the video. The next bull run for XRP is expected to see price increases of above $200. Yesterday, Crypto Bull on X, the CEO of XRP, forecasted that the price of Ripple's XRP might increase to over $200 during the next bull cycle. The analyst predicted this based on XRP's historical data and its performance during the previous bull run, as well as the bottom retrace top theory. During its first significant bull run, the price of XRP increased dramatically, going from $0.003 to $3.80. A crypto bull recently pointed out that the retracement levels on the XRP monthly chart match the high and low points. If previous events serve as any indication, the researcher thinks XRP's price might reach $220 if the next bull cycle follows the same path. Nonetheless, the coin market cap showed that XRP was trading at 50 cents at the time of writing. As of the time of this writing, its price had fallen by a negligible 0.01% on the trading day. The amount of trading in remittance tokens decreased by more than 4 to 4% in a day. As a result, trading activity for XRP has plummeted to almost $3 billion since yesterday. However, the weekly performance of XRP still showed evidence of its recent accomplishments, as price was up by 13.94% within the past week. Over the course of the last 3 days, XRP has been able to break above the 50 cents $4 barrier and has been sitting on the key price mark. On Tuesday, it hit a high of $0.58 before being driven lower by selling pressure. It had been trying to break over the next key resistance level at $0.59. Traders and investors paying attention to the daily chart of XRP will have seen that purchasers have been steadily losing ground. As of this writing, when compared to the RSI/SMA line, the RSI line for the day was becoming quite close. This indicates that vendors were making efforts to reduce the bull's recent price premium. We'd want to make it clear that this is not a forum for soliciting investments or giving financial advice. This is only a means via which instructional materials can be delivered to your home. Scammers beware, we will never contact you over WhatsApp or any other service to request payment. Never open attachments from emails or comments that appear to come from us. All scams and imposters should be reported to YouTube immediately. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.